Friend, I'm Sarah, and this is my channel, Rooted and Restored. This is a space for women like me, balancing business, family, and faith while navigating life's messiest moments. For years, I searched for transformation, studying mindset, faith, and business, trying to get an ADHD mind quiet, lose the weight, build a sustainable brand, and create content that truly connects. But I also know what it's like to feel stuck in the yuck, lost, numbing the pain, wondering if I was enough. And then life threw me a test, one I never saw coming. Your son has leukemia, and you need to be in the hospital tonight. Everything I had learned, faith, mindset, and resilience, was put to the test. But instead of breaking, I realized that God had been rooting for this. We face cancer open handed, trusting that even in the hardest moments, there was purpose. That's why I've created this channel for you. Faith that grounds us, mindset that transforms us, authentic storytelling that connects us, business and branding strategies that elevate us. And I plan on posting weekly content, videos, and shorts throughout the week, encouragement, strategy, and truth to remind you that your story matters. Because when you're rooted in truth and grace, real restoration isn't just possible, it's inevitable. So let's do this together, friend. Let's build something beautiful. Welcome to Rooted and Restored.